What if I told you that there was a simple, proven strategy that anyone could use to earn $2,000 of passive income per month? And what if I also told you that it didn't require any special skills, experience, or even a large amount of money to get started? You probably wouldn't believe me, but it's actually possible, and I'm going to show you how in this video. I've been able to retire my full-time job at 24 years old because of dividend investing. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that this strategy is only for people who already have a lot of money, because that's what all the other videos say. They talk about these high amounts of money and complex strategies that are completely out of reach for the average person. The reality is that they're just trying to sell you some sort of course or a stock tip. But I'm gone. Be completely honest with you and share with you exactly how much you need to start earning $2,000 of dividends per month. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video so you don't miss any of the steps. First, let's talk about the basics of dividend investing. A dividend is a portion of a company's profits that they share with their shareholders. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner in that company and you're entitled to a portion of the profits. This is a great way to earn passive income, because once you buy the shares, you don't have to do anything else to continue earning dividends. The best part is that most companies will reinvest your dividends back into your account, so you can buy more shares and earn even more dividends. This is what's known as compounding, and it's the snowball effect that can lead to exponential growth in your portfolio over time. If you want to take full advantage of this strategy, you need to be prepared to invest consistently for the long term. This means that you should have a solid financial foundation in place before you get started. Make sure that you have an emergency fund and that you're living within your means. It's also important to have a diversified portfolio of investments, so that you're not putting all of your eggs in one basket. With that said, now let's get into the juicy details. Exactly how much do you need to invest to earn $2,000 of passive income per month? To figure this out, we need to do some basic math. On average, most companies pay out a dividend yield of around 3 to 4% per year. This means that for every $1,000 you invest, you can expect to earn between $30 and $40 per year in dividends. So if you wanted to earn $2,000 per month in dividends, you would need to invest around $66,000. This may seem like a huge amount to invest, but it doesn't have to be. If you max out your contributions to your 401k and receive the full employer match, you could contribute up to $22,000 per year to your retirement accounts without it counting towards your annual investment limit. This means that you could earn around $660 to $880 per year in dividends from your 401k without ever having to touch it. That's the equivalent of earning between $55 and $73 per month in passive income. So if you're able to max out your 401k contributions for the next 30 years, you'll have around $1.65 million saved up, and you'd be able to earn around $50,000 per year in passive income. Pretty insane, right? But the best part is that this is just the beginning. This strategy allows you to invest in retirement accounts tax-free, which means that you can avoid paying taxes on your dividends until you actually withdraw the money. By taking advantage of this benefit, you'll be able to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. If you're looking to get started with dividend investing, I highly recommend checking out a popular investment platform. With this platform, you'll be able to access a wide range of investment options, and you won't have to worry about paying any commissions on trades. Plus, they have a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your portfolio. But remember, investing always carries some level of risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's important to do your own research and consider seeking advice from a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've learned something valuable. Please feel free to share any questions or comments you may have, and I'll do my best to respond. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Wishing you all the best in your financial journey.